Welcome kids, YuviSharma channel. Hello kids. Today we'll learn capital letters and small letters from A to Z. Let's start the alphabet adventure. Capital A and small a. Capital B and small b. Capital C and small c. Capital D and small d. Capital E and small e. Capital F and small f. Capital G and small g. Capital H and small h. Capital I and small I. Capital J and small j. Capital K and small k. Capital L and small l. Capital M and small m. Capital N and small n. Capital O and small o. Capital P and small p. Capital Q and small q. Capital R and small r. Capital S and small s. Capital T and small t. Capital U and small u. Capital V and small v. Capital W and small w. Capital X and small x. Capital Y and small y. Capital Z and small z. Great job, friends. You learned all the capital and small letters. Thank you kids. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos.